Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to score some art on a sourdough loaf. This loaf I will do 3 wheat stalks. I will start with 3 wheat stalks. I'm using toothpick to do guiding marks and using firm and confident strokes with the lamb. We do 3-4 marks on each side. Then we'll, oops, I scored on the same spot twice there, sorry, but the bread is going to be still tasty. So initially we'll do 3 main ones, and then between those 3 and the 2 empty spots I will add 2 minor wheat stalks later. I'm planning to do score in the middle for the ears, so on the opposite side I'll do 1 thin wheat stalk. This is a smaller loaf, about 400 grams, and a flour. I'll leave the description, the recipe. For the score for the ear, you need to hold the lamb at 45-degree angle and go about, half an inch deep. Okay. Yeah, we definitely could use a few more stalks. Okay. And sometimes it's okay to go in and make corrective marks. If you see that you didn't score deep enough, you could just increase the depth. I'm planning to bake this at 500 degrees in a Dutch oven, covered for 25 minutes and then uncovered for 20 minutes. There you go, we have a beautiful loaf. That's about, look at that color and caramelization. I wish you could smell it. Well, thank you for watching, good luck, and I hope you can score some art on your loaves. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.